Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be looking at one of the other array problems in LeetCode, and it is called shuffle the array. Now it is an easy level question, but I picked this up because it is very similar to what we did earlier, concatenation of array. Okay, I would recommend that if you have not watched that video, please go first, watch that video and then come here. It will be easier for you to understand, because the logic behind these two is a little bit similar. Okay, now back to our main problem here, the shuffle the array. So what they're asking here is that let's say we are given an array, okay, and we are provided with the middle index. Okay, now what they want is they are calling this part as x and this part as y. So as of now, the values are x0, x1, y0, y1, and if there were other element, it would have been x2, y2, etc., etc. So what they want us to do is we need to create an array where first element is x0, okay, second element is y0, okay. Once that is done, third element should be x1, and fourth element should be y1. Okay, and so on. Okay, now this is quite similar to what we did earlier. So what we can do is we'll create an answer array. Okay, we'll take care. Okay, first let me index this 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we'll take another external pointer or index. Okay, now at each we will go from this nums array from 0 till only halfway, where till the value of n, because I'll tell you why in the later part of the video. So what we'll do is we'll first add answer of 0, or let's say in general if we say it answer of index, this is going to be nums of I. Nums of I. So this will be 1, and later on answer index plus 1. This will be going to be nums of I, and will add this n to this. Okay, so this will give us y0. 0 plus 2, that is 2. Okay, so we'll get this value, and this will be added here. Similarly, we'll increment we'll increment our index by 2, not by 1, because we have in the first step itself we have placed two values at index and index plus 1. So again, if we do index plus 1, then it will overwrite this value. We don't want that to happen, so we'll increment the index too. So now the index is pointing here. Okay, and again now after this point the I is pointing to 1. Okay, and I will come here. This will be 2, I plus n, that is 3. This will come here. Okay, now the reason why we are not going past this is because if we come here, if you see this index is 2 and n is 2, so 2 plus 2, that is 4, and we don't have any index of 4. Okay, so this will give us an array index out of bounds error, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, so that is it for the theoretical part. Now we'll move to the coding part. Okay, so first of all we'll create an array, okay, of size nums. Next, as we can see, we also need an additional index an index variable to keep track of index in our answer array. Okay, so index, that is equals to 0. Now we'll iterate through our array only till n, so that it doesn't go as array index out of bound error. Okay, I plus plus. Now as you can see, we have the whole formula ready here with us. Okay, you simply write that answer at index is going to be nums of I, answer of index plus 1, that is going to be nums I plus n, and let's not forget to increment our index by 2, and at the end we'll return this answer array. Okay, so it's that easy. Also keep track of what you are watching, because we'll be covering this in sequence. So if you have not watched the earlier videos, please, I'll recommend that you do that. And if you have any suggestions for any problems or any queries you have, do let me know. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.